guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Mimi's here. This is my sister-in-law and she is a professional makeup person. Very professional, and she's going to do my makeup today, and all I've said is full glam, not what I'd normally do. And she's picked everything out. We've got half of her stuff, half of mine, and she's going to do it. And we're excited.
You're going to talk through what we're doing when we're doing it? Or?
Yeah.
You can do the talking.
She's putting on my Tarte Drink of H2O moisturiser because she said I was dry as fuck and needed to be moisturised.
You're still dry.
I know, it's ridiculous.
Healthy.
I'm dry. What are we using next?
Tom Ford Illuminating Primer.
Because she's fucking fancy.
It's nice. There's hardly any left.
Yeah.
It's so empty.
I'm excited. Is this similar to the Becca one?
I haven't used that one.
It's like a...
It's a glowy
like a
one.
glowy
Yeah.
one, yeah.
But it's got like almost little gold particles in, so it looks really
Ooh.
lovely and glowy.
I could just fall asleep while you do this.
Okay.
And then you'll have to talk
No.
as I snore.
But you can use this over foundation as well, like through the day if your foundation goes a bit
See, I've
dry, you can
I've
like
read
buff it over.
that like on a few of my primers, but I'm like, how do you do that on top of makeup?
Just put it onto like a fluffier brush, like your foundation brush.
Yeah.
And just buff it over the top.
Would it not move your
It
foundation?
might do a little bit, but it kind of refreshes it. You can always put a little bit of foundation with it.
I'm rubbish. I literally just do it in the morning and then just never ever top up the makeup. Ever. And then it just like wears off and I look like a minger. Minger!
I'm going to do eyes first.
I always do eyes first, just in
Because
case I like do a massive
using
fucking
lots of-
fallout of...
I'm going to get my MAC 24-hour eye extend base.
Ooh.
Does it focus?
It will focus, but it is just an arsehole. My camera.
You'll have to do the focusing.
My camera is like a super dick. Fuck you, camera. Come on. Come
The
on.
eye base. MAC
There you
eye
go.
base. There we go.
There we go. You've sort of seen it. It's fine.
So then I'm going to this. I haven't really thought of what I'm doing.
Yeah, we haven't. She hasn't decided. We've just got like
just gonna
57
create.
palettes out.
And have a play and think, ooh, I like this. And ooh, I like this.
The palettes we've got out at the minute are the Bad Habit Aura palette, which is a dupe from one of the ABH ones, and then the BH Cosmetics Solar Flare that Claire got me
And then two Tom
for
Ford
Christmas, and then two Tom Ford ones as well,
These two
which are
shiny.
pretty. But we don't know. She doesn't know what she's going to use yet.
I haven't decided. I might actually use. I think we're gonna do like kind of greeny goldy,
Yeah.
but
I
that's.
don't know what she's doing.
I don't either. I'm gonna use Phenomenon. It's a good one.
Pig. Oh, it was. She's Scotty. She's Scotty. She does it to me as well.
I do that to clients now.
What are we doing first?
I'm just using the Phenomenon in this palette, just all over with a bit of a base colour.
Okay.
Brown.
I can hear a child sneaking in. Mika.
Ari's asleep.
It's okay if Ari's asleep. The kids are watching their tablets. It's okay, baby. It's okay.
I'm coming.
You can come and watch if you want.
Yeah.
Come here then.
Yeah,
Come sit up here and watch. Come up on the back and watch. You can do your at if you want.
No, please.
Okay, no please.
No, please.
No please.
I've got one eye.
Please do your thing.
Mm-hmm.
How soft is this brush?
It's nice. What is it?
The short water brush. This one. Klonsky Sable brush. It's like something ridiculous, like 120 quid.
What? For a brush?
Yeah.
£120.
Yeah.
Wow.
Didn't pay for it.
It's insane. Don't you touch your mummy's makeup, little fart face. I see you at the back there, Mika, look.
Sneaky feet.
I see you. Do you ever get people when you're doing their makeup and they just like move?
Yeah. It's always fun.
Because having Daddy's donuts next week.
Tomorrow, yeah.
Daddy's donuts tomorrow. Yeah.
It's green.
Not as green as I like. That's better. So she's a little bit of the Tom Ford, that teal.
Mm-hmm.
Single one over the top.
Oh.
I can see it. That's what I can see.
She's not a good client.
Oh.
Close.
Whenever I do my mum's makeup, she just starts to like look at the ceiling and then tilts her head like, so she's like upside down. Or she moves further away.
A bit like Maleficent at the minute, but I think she has purple, don't she?
Maleficent?
Yeah, but I think she's got purple eyes. She has purple eyes.
Yeah, I think so. Purple and black.
Well, Maleficent but with green. Do you ever like block people like who?
Yeah, all the
Can you
time.
like make people like unfollow you, like hide you?
No, you can just block them from your channel so they can't comment. They can still watch me and, like,
Yeah.
and do view. They can give me a view,
But they
but
can't.
they can't
say.
comment. Yeah, there's quite a lot of people blocked because they're assholes.
She could do that in life.
Yeah,
You're
I know, it'd be so good. Should have had it like this so I can't see what you're doing. I'll do that now. Now I can't see what she's doing. Or if we're in focus.
I'm gonna come back to your eyes in a bit. I'm just doing a bit. Why do you not get a pump with foundation?
I think it's because it's an American one. We are using the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth in
No, I can't see if you can see me.
shade 110 Porcelain. I'm going to lift it up because then Amy can see what she's doing. And we're using Amy's foundation brush, which I never ever use. Like, I use it.
To be honest, I need to take off what's under your eyes. Got a bit of droppage or fallout, as the
Fallout, yeah. Droppage. I think this colour's okay.
I might have to bronze it a little
Yeah, I was
bit.
gonna have no, I used to I had it
It's still
before
light, to be honest.
before we went on holiday. I got a little bit of a tan, but not a lot.
Such a ladylike client I have today.
Have you ever had anyone burp at you?
Not that I can
Or
remember.
fart while you're doing there?
Not that I can remember. It may have done.
Yeah, everybody, just stop for a minute and Amy's going to make you say something. She came around yesterday and she said to me, you have to say one smart fellow. And I literally went, one fart smello. Try and do it. One smart fellow.
He felt smart.
He felt smart. Not one fart smello, he smelt farts. Do it.
One smart fellow, he smelled fart. That's me. One smart fellow, he smelled fart.
Did Auntie Mimi teach you that?
One smart fellow, he smelled fart. John, he smelled fart.
Don't, because you're going to mess up Mummy and Auntie Mimi's makeup. Oh.
He felt smart.
He felt smart.
Yeah, you did it. Good job. Oh my god.
Okay,
Well done, princess.
I'll win it again.
You did win it again.
I'm crying.
We were in Pizza Hut and she just kept shouting, he smelt farts.
Stop piecing your freaking brows.
I'm just gonna try and relax my face.
too.
What is that?
It's my Shawmora one.
What is it?
It's blusher.
Oh my god, I'm scared of blusher. I'm terrified of this, Amy. This is literally like...
It's quite soft. You don't.
Okay, it looks like it's going to be...
No.
It's like Oompa Loompa.
I need to contouring. I'm kind of doing things in the wrong order because I'm creating.
It's fine.
I'm not using this a lot. Just want a little bit of colour. You've got quite a lot of colour anyway, so you don't need. This is more peachy, so.
And pink.
See the pink face.
Pink is fudge.
Pink face. Highlight nothing.
She's using the fancy pants one.
Tiny one.
It's Tom Ford. That's really pretty.
I'm just gonna go with this.
Love you just use the same brush for everything.
Yeah, pretty much. I've got about 50 million brushes. I use probably about 6.
To be fair, I'm the same. I've got like a few.
I've got my favourites that I always use. And I'll expand to the others when the others are
super dirty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's better to get brushes that a couple of brushes you can use with a lot for a lot of things than 50 brushes that you can use for one thing.
Yeah. Oh, it's pretty. Look at that, it's so pretty.
Show up.
Sparkly. Yeah, it shows up, look. You can see it on the camera. Wows. Wows.
Push back a little bit just here. Yes.
This is like how to make lovely makeup look ugly. Put it on my face.
Like the makeup.
Put it on my face. What's this then?
It's greeny.
Oh, green. We had to have a break because the battery ran out. Because I am unprofessional and only have one battery. So what were we using? This is the
Smashbox Always Sharp Waterproof Kohl Eyeliner.
There we go.
So it like
And what are we doing with this?
sharpens when you put the lid on. Don't know if it's going to focus.
There we go. It's clever.
I like this because I'm lazy. Look up. Look up.
Oh, it's horrible.
Shut you, Wingy.
I never ever do this. Oh, it's horrible. Oh, I hate it.
Posing at yourself.
Checking out my chins. I'm a fat neck. That I always get comments on. Tell me I've got a thyroid problem. She's got a fat neck. Just a fat neck. We use my fly liner now. I've not used this before.
This is like a little size one.
Amy got me this for Christmas. It's Fenty and it's a fly liner. And look, it is the sharpest point ever. It's so sharp. I'm so rubbish at eyeliner.
We'll see how this goes.
I'm just gonna close my eyes
Okay.
and just not breathe.
Okay. Close. Just burp in my face.
I don't want to move. Literally just did like a silent burp in my mouth.
Does that look evenish to you?
I think so.
How do? How do?
That'll do. That's the attitude for this channel. That'll do.
Fuck it.
Fuck it. Yeah, fuck it indeed. I don't think I've ever had anyone else put my mascara on for me before. This is fucking weird.
It's always easy to do.
Whenever I do mum's makeup, she's like, do my mascara? And I'm like, no chance. Your lashes are like a millimetre long. It's not happening.
They are really short.
Oh, I'm watery.
Don't worry. Don't worry. That's a nice mascara.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Lipstick. Which one are we going to use? And with the new brush.
The new lip brush, the Tom Ford lip brush. And my lips are literally just crust.
Nice. Crust.
And this
Do you
is...
usually use lip brushes or do you just...
No, I just put it on. This is the Bonnie XO Cosmetics. I can't remember what this one's called. It's on the bottom. And it smells like vanilla.
Sand.
Sand. Ben got me the set of the nude ones last year on the sale. So I think I've got 5 for 20 quid. And you can have them scented whatever you want. So there's like cherry or vanilla. And
Cherry.
I chose vanilla ones.
Do half and half.
I know what to get you next year. You titivating?
Yeah, pretty much. I can just sit and titivate. I think we're done. Is there anything else you require?
I don't think so. We're done. I love the eyes. I like the green. I'm going to try and turn this light down a bit and see if we can see it.
Intense. I didn't do bronzer, that's what I didn't do. We got the bronzer on, we didn't just put your wizard bronzer on. Which brush do you use for bronzer?
This one.
Is that why it's like caked in brown?
Yes.
It's my brown brush.
And my minger. Amy does it too.
On my own brushes, not on client ones, any ones that go on people.
Apart from the ones that she's used on me today.
No, I did clean them before I used them, to be fair.
She
did.
She licked them.
I licked it. I
licked
cleaned it
them
with my
clean.
survivor. There we go. Can you still see a highlight on there? Yeah.
Yeah, look.
Yeah.
Can you still see the highlight? Just a little bit.
It's shiny.
So that was Amy, the professional. This will be the one video on my channel where the makeup is professionally done.
It's not any much better than yours.
It is. She's very good.
Considering I didn't really decide what I was doing, I just had a bit of a play.
Yeah,
I don't know.
I'm happy with it.
I didn't plan it.
She's a good egg.
Good egg.
She's a good egg. From the north, even though she's not from the north. She just sounds like she's from the north.
Cup of tea.
Cup of tea. That's what they call it. The girls call her Auntie Cup of Tea. Mimi Cup of Tea. Because she does love a cuppa. So yeah, if you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel, like Amy's friend does.
Hi, Lyson.
Hi. But yeah, thanks for watching and we'll see you soon. Bye.